Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to install rtspbrute in your Kali Linux in Android. So this tool will work for the CCTV because in CCTV there is a port 554 for the RTSP. Okay, so this tool is for educational purpose. So be safe. So let's start our terminal first. We are in the Kali. We have to be in the root. So type sudo sudo su. Okay, I will clear the terminal. Okay, after that I given these commands and link in my Telegram channel, guys. So please visit there, copy it and paste it to your terminal. Okay, so RTSP stands for the real time streaming protocol. Okay, so these comments are all comments are given in my Telegram channel, guys. So please copy it and paste it in terminal. Okay, copy the first one. Okay. Copy the first one and paste it here and press enter. Okay, and same and copy the second one command also, this command also. Okay, I will show the third command. Apt install python -3. Okay, type this one. Okay, and press enter. So you have to install the Python language in your terminal, guys. So installing the Python language, you have to type apt install python 3. Okay, you have to install the python 3 in your terminal, guys. After installing python 3, you have to type this third command. Okay, after that copy this one. Okay, copy the fourth command, copy it and paste it to your terminal and press enter. Okay, so after that copy the fifth command, copy it and paste it here and press enter. Okay, after that copy the sixth command, copy this command and same paste it here and press enter. Okay, I already installed this one, guys, that's why I'm not doing again. So after that copy the seventh command. Okay, copy till here. Okay, copy till here and paste it here and press enter. So it will install the everything. Okay, after that clone the tool in your directory, in your terminal. Clone the tool. Okay, press enter and clone the tool. After that make ls and cd for the same directory and copy this one and press enter. Now we are in the rtspbrute directory. Okay, after that copy this 10th command. Okay, copy this one and paste it here and install it. It will install every requirement files of this tool, guys. So after that, so I'll show this error, guys. So I am facing this error for the setup tools. Okay, if you're getting this type of error, error code of setup tools, okay, you have to just type python 3 install. Okay, setup tools. Okay, you have to copy this one and paste it here and it will install the setup tools. Okay, so after that you will copy this fourth command. Okay, copy this one. Now it will work in your terminal, guys. Okay, now it will work in your terminal. So after that copy this one. Okay, just copy this one and paste it here and just press enter. Okay, see this type it will come. It is working fine. It is not coming like this. It is showing any Python error. So you have to type this one. It will show the code error of AV. Okay, it will show the code error of AV. It is not installed. So you have to install python install. Copy this one, python install AV. Okay, just type this one and press enter. Okay, after that copy this one. We'll make one file. So the file is echo and the IP number of the CCTV camera, and you have to type this. You have to type the only the. So we'll copy this one, guys. We'll copy this one. We'll make one file. So you have to put the IP of the camera. Don't put the full number. Okay, you have to put the 3 digits till you can see from here, you can see easily, don't get confused, you can see here. So for example, I'll show you. For example, my IP number is till here. Okay, for example, I'm showing you my IP number is still here. I will not put a entire number. I have to scan from 0 to 24. So you have to use the bar, this one, the bar one. Okay, from there to 0 to 24. Okay, so I will scan completely. So after that, make this one, and for example, I'm putting target.dst. Okay, target.dst. I will copy this one only. For example, I'm showing this one. So you can see here, just type here like this. So after that, you have to type this one, the last command. Okay, copy this one and press enter. You can see here. So this video is only for education purpose, guys. I'm showing for this video is only for example. I'm showing you. If you want to scan the real IP of a CCTV camera, you can use IP and you can easily scan it. You can see the here it is, it will show here. If you gets the image of the CCTV camera, so it will show you here. You can go easily in your directory in the file manager and you can see easily. So in the next video I will show you how to scan by nmap. So we will scan the by nmap and we will copy that one and we will paste it here in the rtspbrute. So I will show. So thanks for watching, guys.